White chicks like Starbucks. But rad people, we like Monsters. Yeah. I know I already uploaded today, guys, but I'm kind of bored. And, well, I want to be cool. I just want to be cool like everybody else. Like Brian Stars. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. Yeah, he like fucking interviewed all my favorite bands, like Black Veil Brides, and oh my gosh, I'm in love with Pierce the Veil. But enough about bands for now, until you get to know me and stuff. Sorry, this is kinda awkward. I guess I'll talk to you guys a bit more later. I'll probably upload like 5 more times today because, you know, I'm weird and I have no life.